This is how Tesla PiPhone and Neuralink will give supernatural abilities. Humans have revolutionized the world of science and technology, with AI robots helping in medicine, retail, housekeeping, research, and much more. There's no end to the realm of ideas that science is exploring. With a pig-to-human heart transplant, advanced prosthetic limbs, and even deepfakes, we're living in the future we dreamt of. If you ever wondered if the crazy sci-fi movies or thriller shows like Black Mirror would come to life during your lifetime on this Earth, you're in for an exciting ride today. A revolutionary name in this industry is Elon Musk, a man making impossible dreams a reality. From launching electric cars to traveling into space and creating brain chips, he's doing it all. Who knows? He might even make a clone of himself to keep working on his vision for all eternity. Let's dive into this strange yet fascinating world right away. If you're curious to learn about the latest advancements through which you could one day control your phone with your brain, stay tuned. Before we begin, welcome back to our channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you're notified every time we upload a new video. The rumored Tesla PiPhone. Samsung and Apple have a long-running rivalry regarding their respective smartphones, with the perpetual battle between Android and iOS. While the debacle between these two competitors continues, we might see Tesla enter the game with its spin that could potentially knock these two out of the ballpark. We're talking about the brand new Tesla Model PiPhone that isn't copy-pasting features from existing smartphones with a big shiny bow on top. Rather, it's diving deep into turning crazy ideas into reality. However, before you get too excited, it's important to note that Tesla itself hasn't officially confirmed the phone. The hype started when a YouTube channel called ADR Studio Design created a video including their take on what a phone created by the extraordinaire Elon Musk would feature. Although we wouldn't be surprised if releasing a smartphone is in the trajectory for the billionaire. Features of this unique phone. While the speculation ever since the YouTube video is mainly conjecture and assumptions, many people were looking towards Tesla for the big news. Unfortunately, knowing Elon Musk, we don't think he'd settle for a mortal phone, unless it can shapeshift into a robot or carry you off to the moon. Everything aside, a few features that were introduced for the PiPhone stood out to us. So keep watching to hear more about the ludicrous and phenomenally innovative phone allegedly coming out from Tesla. First, the phone will be solar-powered. We have to save the planet, right? It only makes sense, since Tesla already manufactures solar panels. So what's a few more produced to add a relatively environmentally friendly phone? Moving on, the best feature, satellite internet. Forget 4G and 5G, the PiPhone will bring you internet signals straight from space. Starlink is an internet company owned by Elon Musk that is set with roots up in space, which would mean that you'd get undisrupted signals anywhere in the world, whether you're in the dead of the forest or the middle of the ocean. Who needs to signal for help on a deserted island as long as you've got your PiPhone on hand? Given Musk's passion for colonizing Mars, the phone camera needs to be sharp enough to capture the solar system in all of its glory at night. We can expect the phone to feature 4 eyes to capture the night sky, or even get you the HD selfie of your dreams. Another rumor that doesn't seem too unlikely is the ability to mine cryptocurrency. Given the interest and passion Elon Musk has shown towards Dogecoin or even the recent Mars coin, we can expect the phone to contain high-tech features to make crypto mining on a phone possible. Soaring price range. Realistically speaking, if the PiPhone were ever to be released, it's unlikely that it'd contain all the features we mentioned. Not that we doubt the capabilities of the future Mars colonizer, but possibly because it's a long way to go. Not to forget the hefty price tag that'll come along with the super technical phone. From the antenna needed to garner signals from space, to the technology to mine cryptocurrency, these features will add to the weight and size of the device, and the price tag. If there were a phone to be released, we expect the initial iteration to start at a cheaper price range. Maybe a simplified model or a few features could be expected, but to see all of the cool elements mentioned by the YouTube artist is a bit of a stretch. Given the market price, most smartphones range from $800 to $1,200. Only a small percentage would go leaps and bounds to drop thousands on the phone, unless it cures cancer. The mind-reading Neuralink. If the phone can get signals from space and help mining crypto, it might include the latest technology introduced by Elon Musk, the Neuralink. Neuralink is developing ultra-high bandwidth brain-computer interfaces that are designed to connect humans and computers. Possibly the coolest and most realistic feature discussed in this video, it'll offer users control over their phones through their brains. Want to change a song while you're stuck in rush hour? Desperately need help but can't call 911? Or maybe you're too lazy to type a long email? The Neuralink has you covered. Essentially, it's a neural implant that can help the brain interact with a computer interface simply through the power of the mind. This technology is groundbreaking for people who have paralysis and physical disabilities to help them work their gadgets without lifting a finger. Neurons in your brain generate electrical signals that transfer the information to the chip, and then carry out those actions through the computer interface. This technology will also open numerous objectives, such as allowing people who can't move their arms to regain control of their limbs, and even allow paralytics to take control of devices wirelessly. Imagine the world of possibilities it could open, with many people speculating the advancements it can make in inducing sensations of a drug-free high or euphoria. Neuralink has already conducted trials on pigs, but the most impressive trial was done on a monkey where, after installing a Neuralink in its brain, the monkey was able to play computer games telepathically, including the classic Pong. Musk isn't the first man to have thought of the idea. A competitor company, Synchron, is making headway in creating a neuroprosthesis device targeted for paralyzed patients to control their devices via their brains. The company started human trials in the summer of 2021 with 6 patients who have paralysis at the Mount Sinai Hospital in New York. After a breakthrough in December 2021, an Australian man suffering from a motor neuron disease wrote a tweet via his brain implant. No voice, no actions, simply by the power of his thoughts, he was able to compose a tweet saying, "Hello world." Short tweet, monumental progress. Following a simple approach, the Stentrode device was placed in the brain through a non-invasive procedure to translate brain activity into digital language. But when will we get to see the revolutionary chip? If it ever reaches the general population at all. Will you be getting a Neuralink once the technology is available to the masses? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to destroy the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, see you next time.